know how to make amazing songs like this completely for free using AI? Go to any browser and search for Suno AI, or you can just use the link given in the description of this video. Click on sign in, select Google and then select the Gmail ID with which you want to log in. You can see I am on the create page of Suno AI, and here you can just provide any basic prompt and the AI will generate a song for you. It will provide you with the lyrics, music and everything else. But if you want to use your own lyrics or want more customization power, then you should select custom here. Now you can enter your lyrics here. You can select the different versions of Suno here, but since V4 is the latest, I will keep it selected. To generate our music, let's go to ChatGPT, and I have a ready-made prompt here basically asking to create an Eminem style hip hop song. You can enter the prompt according to your needs. I will copy paste it here, and after entering, ChatGPT has started generating our lyrics. Once the song is ready, copy it and you can either directly paste it to Suno AI or keep it somewhere so that we can use it later. I will paste it here. Scroll below and we can add the style of music. I will add hip hop and rap. You can also give your song a title here. I will just copy paste our title from ChatGPT. After entering all the necessary details, click on create and Suno will start creating our song. It generates two versions of our songs and usually takes about 1 minute to generate them.
A few moments later.
You can see our songs are now ready. Let's play the first one.
Yo, I step in the booth like a beast on a leash, unleashing the heat like a fever unleashed. Speakers gon' bounce like a trampoline flip, every syllable hits like a championship. Got the crowd going nuts when I'm spitting it fast, like a NASCAR lap, never finishing last. I snap back with raps, drop facts like an axe, better watch your back. Mic on fire, turn it up higher, hands in the air, we ain't never getting tired. Boom, clap, feel that smack. This ain't rap, it's a full-blown attack. I'm colder than ice, but I'm burning the stage. Put the pen to the page, I'm a beast in a cage. Running these words like a marathon sprint. I don't mumble, I rumble with lyrical grit.
As you heard, the song is really amazing. We will listen to the second song as well, but before that, if you click on the three dots, you will get multiple options. Like under create, you can extend or reuse the prompt of your song. And we also have the download option where we can either download our song in MP3 audio or video format. Now, let's listen to the second song.
Yeah. Yo, I step in the booth like a beast on a leash, unleashing the heat like a fever unleashed. Speakers gon' bounce like a trampoline flip, every syllable hits like a championship. Got the crowd going nuts when I'm spitting it fast, like a NASCAR lap, never finishing last. Snap back with raps, drop facts like an axe, better watch your back. Mic on fire, turn it up higher, hands in the air, we ain't never getting tired. Boom, clap, feel that smack. This ain't rap, it's a full-blown attack. I'm colder than ice, but I'm burning the stage. Put the pen to the page, I'm a beast in a cage. Running these words like a marathon sprint. I don't mumble, I rumble with lyrical grit. Hit 'em with a
As you heard, both the songs are really awesome. Now, let's talk about whether you can use these songs commercially or not. If you go to the pricing section, you can see that with the free plan, we can generate 10 songs every day and it has non-commercial terms, which means you cannot use these songs commercially. But if you look at the other paid plan, you can generate more songs and there are general commercial terms, which means you can use the songs commercially, but there will be some terms and conditions and you can maybe find them on the Suno's terms and conditions page. If you want to know about some other interesting AI tools that can do some amazing AI stuff, then you can check these videos right here. If you liked this video, then do drop a like and subscribe to my channel for more such helpful videos. Thanks for watching and I will see you in a new video.